sourdough cocktail, a drink made famous in the Yukon because of a single garnish added to a shot of Yukon Jack liqueur. It was on my bucket list to partake of this drink, and the only way to cross it off is to travel to the Sourdough Saloon in Dawson City, Yukon, the only place where it is served. I mentioned this goal to a few friends, and we all agreed this would make a worthwhile destination on an epic motorcycle adventure. The next series of videos creates a tale of fun and camaraderie, enjoyed by 4 guys on bikes as we travel over 3,000 kilometers one way to have a sip of Yukon Jack. I hope you enjoy. If you recall from the previous video, we officially entered the Yukon Territory via the Cassiar Highway number 37 from Dease Lake. In this video, we continued on to the Alaska Highway and rode south to enjoy a dip in the famous Liard Hotsprings. There it is, guys, the Signpost Forest. 100,000 signs. We'll come back tonight and hang our sign. After checking into our motel in Watson Lake, we continued south, back into BC. For some unknown reason, my 360 camera recorded it all in time-lapse mode. Liard River. We're about 75 kilometers north of the hot springs, and it's already getting smoky here. And the forest fires burning down around Fort Carson. Back on the Liard River. Coming up to the hot springs here in 15 kilometers. We saw a little mama bear with cute cubs. That's about 5 bears they've seen today so far. What do you say, Niels?
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet? Here we are, Liard Hotsprings. Hey, no worries. And this is one of those pumps where they let you fill up, and then you take a picture of the receipt of the bill, like so. And then you go inside and tell them how much, and they expect you to be honest.
15 minutes later.
So we're pulling into Liard Hotsprings. We'll have to go in and pay.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hello.
Hi there.
$5 a piece?
$5
Here, I'll get it, guys. I'll get it.
You're paying?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Tom, feeling rich today.
How many of them are there?
4.
$1 for $20, please. Thank you.
Is there changing rooms?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I make you change in the bush. You gotta hope for the best.
Well, that way,
Is it pretty safe here? We
got to feed the bears somehow.
Yeah, if you're uncomfortable leaving them, you're more than welcome to leave them in here. Other than that, no smoking, vaping, drinking, glass food, or pets, please.
How far is it roughly?
Once you're at the end of the parking lot, go straight at the park, turn right, and loop into the parking lot. It's a 700-meter walk, about 10 minutes, and then there's pit toilets and change rooms up at the top for you.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Have a good one.
Right on. Yeah, I always look down the flat areas. You know,
So we're
these areas there.
walking down the path to the hot springs with the crew here. Say hi, guys.
How you doing? How you doing? Yeah.
And yeah, a bit of a ways to go yet, but we made it. Liard Hot Springs. An extra 400-kilometer round trip from Watson Lake because we got there so early. So we're having fun. So I'm here at the beautiful Liard Hot Springs. 20 minutes in, Very, very nice, comfortable, and a beautiful setting. Change rooms and all kinds of good stuff. Lots of people enjoying themselves today, and we're having fun.
One hour later.
After a refreshing dip in the hot springs, it was time to head back to Watson Lake for our next adventure, the Signpost Forest. Before leaving on this trip, I made up a sign on a piece of paper and had it laminated. Our task for the day was to hang it up somewhere in among the 10,000 plus signs that were already there.
Hours later.
Okay, here we are at the Signpost Forest in Watson Lake. It's unbelievable what you could see here for different license plates and everything else from all over the world.
Okay, here we go.
Here's Dave putting ours up.
One screw,
Those will hold it.
Yeah.
2 screws, 3 screws. Put it down here.
Yeah.
Oof, cedar.
Is there one behind it or no? You have to go up? There you go. No, you gotta go up in the corner.
That ain't gonna go anywhere anytime soon.
Now turn around and look. Everybody, yeah.
Oh, let me back up. Ta-da!
Just getting a close up. That's perfect.
Yeah.
We're good?
Very good.
Really good.
So here we are at in the back end of the Signpost Forest. There's 100,000 signs in here. Now there's 100,001. Right there, we did it. Our sign is up. Sourdough cocktail run, day 4, finished.